Keep reeling. Keep reeling. That's a big one.
Oh my gosh! Good job! Wow!
It's a lot.
Pull him up.
Tell your mom how many you've caught.
I got like this.
Really?
Too many.
Look at
I
that!
got good one, but with my worms, I caught it with my worms. Oh, bad. Because it worked.
Yeah!
Oh, but
Give me a high five.
I got it.
Let's see him.
You see him? He got sore.
He's lots of colors.
He got sore.
She might be tangled up a little here.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
You see that? I have a sore.
You caught a fish.
Now you're going to have fish.
A little tension.
Okay, I'm going to run.
Can you pull him in?
Okay.
Do we get him?
He likes to play, but he's moving.
Look at him swim. He's trying to swim away. Should we let him go?
Because I like fish who don't have sore. Do you see that?